Hello, my name is Zachary Campbell. I'm showcasing my project for the backend bootcamp for honors graduation. This is a very basic blog site made with Django. This is the homepage. You can click here for the blog post. And it'll have the user who created it, the date and time, the title, and you can click here and go back home, and it will have that. You can click here, and this About Us page or sidebar will show up on every blog post that you have. And you can click that, and it will lead you to the link I put there. Here's some of the code for it. Here's like the Docker Compose file, the settings file. Here's the base, the home page, and sidebar. URLs, views, URLs, models, model for the post, apps, templates. This is for post and post list. This is the main page, the home page, and then whatever post you click on. This would be like clicking on this, as you see. Then the base, which the index of home extends the base. Some of the issues, one of the issues I faced during this was deploying it to the EC2 instance here. I couldn't get the site to load, and it was because I did not properly add a new security group when deploying and making the EC2 instance. So I had to go back, and I missed a step and left the port at 0. So I had to go back and change the port to 8000 here, and now everything is working smoothly. So yeah, thank you.